Feeling a little bit green in this swell. All right, 9 o'clock. Welcome to 45 Degrees Live Weather Update. I'm out on the water. I've just left Stardigard half an hour ago, and we are crossing the gap between Stardigard and the split gates between Brač and Schulte. Heading back towards base, and I'll give you a bit of a panorama around in a minute. We've got blue skies and sun right now. So there is some, rainy, ominous looking stuff around us. Definitely see some system weather and everything up to the north. There's a little bit of rain falling well into the north up there by the Kornati, and back from me towards more towards Lastovo. Okay, like proper south. I got some really dark clouds which I'll pan around in a second. They're not ominous looking dark clouds. I'll talk about why they're not ominous looking, but it's going to bring some rain. Probably going to bring some rain. So we've got a bit of a confused swell out here because of course we had the southeast rocking last night, and then all sorts of directions coming from Italy, and now the northwest picked up in the northern Adriatic for the morning. It's just started rolling. So I've got what was a northwest swell as we're coming out of the Stardigard canal there, like I say, out of the gap, of about 1 meter. Okay, but now I've got a confused swell, a little bit coming from the southwest, because I'm still in the lead from the southeast of Prague, and I've got this northwest swell coming through as well, around about 1 meter to half a meter. It's not massive. The period was about 6 seconds, so it was rolly and easy and all that sort of stuff. But now that I've got 2 swells hitting me, it's a little bit more confused. And if you know anything about me, I get seasick. So this is the seasick sailor coming in from a catamaran, which my thumbnail for this live stream, I took a photo, but the permissions wouldn't let me upload that, so whatever. I just put up a previous one that was in the things. So anyway, yeah, so let's do a little bit of a pan around, and there's forward. Okay, so this is looking up towards Schulte and Brač and the split gates, and you can see there's some definite cloud action up forward out there, blue skies, and this is the darker clouds I'm talking about over here. But we're sitting in this beautiful sunshine right now. That is down the Pražský Canal, okay, between Brač and Prague, and that's what I'm seeing coming over my shoulder, which I'm expecting to roll over our way, but I don't expect much to happen. The reason I'm not overly concerned about it is this is not towering cumulus, okay? This is not cumulus nimbus, towering cumulus, and it's also quite high level, all right? If you look down there, what high level means is the distance from the shore to the cloud is quite small, right? So that means that's like low level cloud, but then the distance from the cloud to the top of the cloud is also quite small. If we were looking at that low distance and clouds are up here, you'd be looking at some serious shit underneath that. Whereas up here, this is more stratus, altostratus, cirrus, so it's coming in, it's got some rain in it, but it's pretty chill. So I'm not overly worried about that coming in like a roll cloud comes in. So that's what we've got. That's up to the north there. Everyone's going to have, I think, a nice time, but it's going to be a mixed bag. Okay, we're definitely going to get some mixed conditions coming down the coast. Maybe some border, like it's supposed to be northwest, swinging around to northeast. I'm preparing for some pretty heavy northeast, Kornati, Split Troggy area tonight. That's what I'm preparing for. So that's why I want to be back fueled up and in the marina by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, so that it's just done. Going to help a few boats that are out on charter at the moment. Couple of comments rolling in here. Captain Jeff says sunny here in Luca Solace on Niet. Very good. Nico says, where are you? Coming out of Stardigard. That's right, Nico. So yeah, look, it's that's where we're at. The swell's actually getting better and better the further we get away from Prague. It's obviously doing some reverberating and bouncing off in the channel. And yeah, we were just sort of bouncing around out here. There's very little wind, 5.6 knots apparent. yeah, my boat speed's not working, so 5.6 knots apparent. So there's very little wind out here. It's not sailing weather just yet. I'm hoping to hear from the guys that are sailing from Skradin down to Trogir. I'm expecting them to have a northwest behind them for an hour or so, and then it to swing around on the beam for northeast. So, but if you're out and about, I'm suggesting the morning is the time to go. We're definitely looking at isolated some thunderstorms in the afternoon. There's a good wave. That was at least a meter. About a meter. Whoa. Isolated thunderstorms this afternoon, so just keep an eye out for them. And remember, just because the forecast has no, it's not forecasting that the wind's going to pick up, when you have a thunderstorm or a squall or something that comes through, you're going to get turbulent wind movement. Like I was talking to the guys in Murtia last night, in the bay at Murtia, like it was coming from every direction when the squalls hit. They got gusts of up to 50 knots. Like it was awesome, and just constant sheet lightning, just rocket. So yeah, anyway, that's where we're at. So just remember that underneath those squalls, there can always be, underneath those clouds and rain, there can always be a change. Okay, so just be aware of that. And if you see it coming, reef down, be ready for it. It might be nothing, and you might just be well prepared for something. So yeah. No water spouts today though. Man, there was some cool shit around yesterday. It was incredible. I'm really jealous for those that were. I know. Yeah, I'm jealous though. I'm jealous of them out there. David was sailing into Corchula as that water spout. He sent some amazing videos. If you didn't see my short of just a bit of a collection of some of the videos that have been put out on the WhatsApp groups and stuff, there's a short up there for the September storms on YouTube, which shows the twister, the water spout that formed in Corchula yesterday. Another one in Uvala Tatinia off Sholta. Another big thing rolling into there by Lonely Paradise, filmed from the Lonely Paradise point. So anyway, that's what I got. It's beautiful out here. Absolutely gorgeous clouds. I put a hoodie on for the first time today, this morning. Completely wasted effort. I took it off in about 38 seconds. I thought it was going to be cold. It wasn't. So yeah, anyway, that's all I got. I'm just going to concentrate on not getting seasick now and getting through the split gates. There's a good one. Let's do the period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, about a 5 to 6 second period on those swells that have come out of the northwest. So anyway, that's a lot. If you haven't liked the video already, please smack a like on this and share it with anyone who would find this helpful if they're out on the water. Throw your questions down, though I will not be commenting too much in the next hour and a half while I'm in the swell because I get seasick. That's just how it goes. Anyway, and I can't medicate every day of my life. It would be a bit bad. All right. As an update on those clouds behind me, they're moving. They're coming in. So I'm expecting some rain and a little squally conditions for the later part of this journey across the split gates now. Can definitely far away. Yeah. So that's what we got. All right. Catch you all.